That's what he's setting it up just right for a stuck paddle. You'll see it. Yeah, he's doing exactly what he should be doing right now. When he starts pulling in power to straighten up the nose, he gets lower to the ground. He's got a stuck paddle.
Okay, we're good. Boy, good job.
Yeah. He's on the ground. That's all that mattered. He didn't roll it.
Good job, dude. Good job.
Is the helo on the ground?
Yeah, he's on the ground. He did a good job getting it on the ground.
Excellent.
Standby needs to confirm flight deck ready. 3, pitch up to 8, QNH 2944.
Hold off. Off. Okay, loading right. I can pick one in. Oh, hello. Oh, God. Moderate heavy bow spray. Yeah, got a moderate buffer. Got bow spray. Aircraft set. Take off.
I don't know. He's talking to him right now. I don't know. I think it is. Dan, is it a problem or not? It's not a problem. Looks like him. Dan, talk to me. What is this? Does he know? Dude, he's on fire. A lot of smoke coming out of the engine compartment. The whole doghouse is filled with smoke. Guys want to come to us, we'll definitely do something on this. I don't know what he's going to do. I'm sure he's landing. He's got to be landing. He's Fountain and Highland. Fountain and Highland. Fountain and Highland. Woo! Fountain and Highland. Fountain and Highland. Franklin and Highland. Franklin and Highland, Franklin and Highland, Franklin and Highland. Woo! Yeah. Franklin and Highland.
Off the drive which one?
Sir, I have
over here and block the driveways, please.
Yeah, just stay back from my guys, okay?
And here's a few more clips that didn't quite make the list.